Hi everybody, welcome back to YouTube channel. So our today topic is we will guide you how to use your Beat Solo for play music, change your volume, and use Siri and answer call in a Beat Solo 4. So let's start it today. To play music on a Beat Solo 4, first you have to use the B button on the left ear cup as you can see in the images, and then to pause or play a track, press once, press twice to skip the next track, and the three time to go back the previous track. To scan forward through a track, you have to press twice and hold on the second press. So to scan backward through a track, press three times and hold on the third press. Then you have to change the volume for to control your playback volume. You have to button left on the ear cup. So to control call volume, use the volume control on your phone. Press and release the volume cup or a down button on the left ear cup to increase or decrease the volume. You can also press and hold the volume button by continuously increase or decrease the volume. So to answer your call, you have to answer your call, press a B button on the left ear cup, press once B button to answer and a call, and press once to answer a second incoming call and put the first call on hold. To decline an incoming call, you have to press twice. So to use Siri on your Beat Solo 4, you have to going to say turn on Siri or say hey Siri and going to setting, then tap Siri and search. And from here you have to make sure to watch following setting and to turn on. And then listen for a Siri or hey Siri and then allow Siri when locked. If you set up your Siri on your iPhone already, then Siri is ready to use a Beat Solo 4. To activate Siri, you can say Hey Siri or press hold the B button on the left ear. When a tunes play, you have to say what you need. So these are some simple steps you have to take in when you try your playback speed or call them in your Beat Solo 4. So thank you for watching video. I hope you like it and we will catch you in the next video with further information.